Welcome to this demonstration of Coupa Sourcing. As a sourcing manager logs in, they get a real-time dashboard that tells them everything they need to know about sourcing at their company. First and foremost, Coupa has a sourcing opportunities dashboard that lets you know what you should pay attention to as a sourcing manager, based on all of the activity going on. Because this is a single platform, we can out of the box tell you exactly what's happening in different applications. For example, in procurement, when there's frequent off-contract orders or there's increased spend by category. Sourcing may need to investigate that to either set up catalog items or restructure an agreement if a contract is going to expire. That will lead to a potential sourcing event, and it lets them know right on the dashboard. These are 100% configurable across the whole platform and empower sourcing to do more with less because they don't have the time to focus on every single category. You also have dashboards for savings and top commodities across those savings. If I want to create an event, you can see that I can do so across all the different RFX types: RFI, RFQ, RFP, and reverse auction. I can do so from a template, but after I've used a template, I might want to do so from an event that is familiar to me. So let's quickly go into a Java developer event that I've already set up or my company's set up for me. When I do so, you can see that everything is defaulted, and I can configure each section individually, whether it's the terms and conditions, whether it's the scoring weights, or what business partners from my company can participate, or even what type of events. You can see that I can put different levels of information based on the type of event that I'm running. I have a timeline as well as any particular attachments. I have a questionnaire, which is drag and drop configurable in the user interface. And as well, I have all the pricing and supplier information. Now, if I can't find a supplier I need, I can punch out to Alibaba.com and search the largest supplier network in the world to find the supplier that's right for me. In all parts of Coupa Sourcing, I can either add something new, add something from an event, or add something from a template, making it very, very easy for me to see all the information. As I come into the sourcing application, let's look at a Java developer event that's already completed. As I look at this event that's already completed, I'm going to see all the information that I need at my fingertips, including supplier collaboration. Now, a supplier only needs a mobile device to respond to the event and does not need to be signed up on a proprietary network. All the messages they send are going in a very familiar chat window, and the responses that they've submitted I can now compare in the same way that I compare when I'm shopping side by side. I can see all of the details, including what my team is saying about each response. When I want to award a winner, I can award that winner and immediately take action in the process that makes sense. So with an interconnected business process, we can flow the data across the application to create a new requisition, a new catalog, or a new catalog with contract from this sourcing event. Lastly, I want to show how suppliers can collaborate with you in a reverse auction so they can provide competition and see how they're doing in real time. When a reverse auction is occurring, not only can they use the message board just like they do in the rest of the application, but they can see in real time how they're doing and where their bid places. You can control how much they see and if they see their ranking. And automatic bid extensions can be done so that competition drives when the event ends, not the rules. We recommend you go to our Coupa Advantage demo to learn more about how Coupa can drive savings.